Let's take a look at what's going on right now with that storm system. So it's cutting right through into the eastern portion of the country. Right now you can see through DC, very heavy showers moving in, and it's making its way north and eastward toward our area. In addition to this system, we're also watching Philippe. This is a tropical storm down into the Keys right now, making its way across Florida and into the Atlantic through this afternoon. That's going to bring us some tropical moisture as we move into the forecast tonight through tomorrow. And with Philippe's track, it is expected to stay northeasterly right into the forecast tomorrow. Monday 2 a.m. you can see it's off the coast of Virginia, but likely at that point no longer a tropical storm, likely going to downgrade to a post-tropical cyclone. That means it is weakening, but it is still looking to supply some heavy moisture to our area. Right now, you're heading out the door. Clouds have filled in. There's some spot showers developing, mainly in western Massachusetts. Right now, we're getting some reports out of Pittsfield of light rainfall and also seeing that in western Connecticut as well. Futurecast indicates that for much of today, that spot shower chance is something we'll have to watch for, although it's mainly west of 495, in particular 91. That's where we see the steadiest of the rain through the afternoon today before things start to shift eastward through sunset tonight. And it's by sunset that we start to see steadier showers in place, downpours as we approach 10 o'clock this evening, right on into midnight. Overnight hours includes the downpours and damaging wind. By 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, heavy showers still in spots, but you can see how it's starting to move out. It's a scattered outlook as we move into the morning hours by 7, 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, with areas of moderate showers expected. So today, cloudy, a shower chance, especially west of 495, although it's not going to be very heavy. High temperatures topping out in the mid 60s. Tonight is when we see the main action, that storm arriving. Heavy rainfall, strong wind. If you have any decorations out with Halloween, definitely want to make sure that you either tie it down or maybe even take it inside, with temperatures tonight in the upper 50s to lower 60s. We have impact weather day for today and tomorrow on our 7-day forecast. Rainfall is going to be very heavy in spots. So with our rainfall accumulation, we look to see the heaviest in western Massachusetts, where there's a likelihood of near 3 inches of rain. For the rest of us, 1 to even 2 inches possible. We dry out as we head into Monday afternoon and night, but we really start to calm down as we head into Halloween on Tuesday. Good news for the trick-or-treaters, although it will be just a bit cooler. Doug?